Welcome back to Define. Today, we will cover adverbs. An adverb is a part of speech that modifies or provides more information about another word, except nouns. These words can be verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even an entire sentence. Modifications mean that an additional detail is included. For example, in the sentence, she runs quickly. Quickly is modifying the verb runs. It is therefore answering the question, how does she run? Similarly, in the next example, how hot is the soup? Is answered. However, in the last example, modifications show the attitude of the speaker instead of answering a specific question. Shown here are words that represent each type of adverb. Now, let's take a sentence and add adverbs to it, as grammatically correct as possible. We will discuss if there is a discrepancy. We will start with the statement, it rained. Now I want to add how it rained, the manner, using adverbs. Therefore, I added heavily next to the verb it modifies, rained. I can add the information about when it rained, either in the beginning of the sentence or after the verb it modifies. If today is added in the beginning, this becomes the context of the sentence and therefore it modifies the whole sentence instead of just the verb, rained. The same is the case with the information required to answer, where did it rain? For reasoning why, you can add it in a different sentence, in which case, you will need to use the sentence given here as its follow-up statement, completing the cause-effect relationship. But since we are not adding another sentence, we have used immediately, followed by its reason. Now, in order to answer to what extent it rained, this answer is overlapping with the manner in which it rained. Finally, the frequency is answered using continuously. If you notice, all the adverbs added were near the word it modified. In this case, it's the verb rained. In some examples, though, the adverbs are modifying the whole sentence, which is evident as that adverb is added at the beginning of the sentence. We also added the adverb for frequency before the word it modified, while the others are added after the word. The use of most adverbs are based on natural patterns in the language. This effectively becomes more intuitive with practice. Until then, let's stick to the most common pattern for adverb placement. Pause the video now and try to understand the placements of adverbs as mentioned here. So, does our statement follow this pattern? What changes can you make? The sentence, it rained heavily here today immediately after the hurricane, is almost correct but could be slightly adjusted for better flow. Pause the video now and make the change before the answer is revealed. Both versions are correct, and the choice between them depends on what you want to emphasize more, whether it's the location, here, or the timing, today. Here, at the beginning emphasizes the location first, which might be useful if the location is more important in the context. Like, when reading news reports about weather, and it's important to highlight the place where something is happening or not happening. If you are ever confused about the sequence to follow for a natural flow of the sentence, this sequence will help. It will also ensure that the sentence is clear and easily understood. Inspire us to create such content by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channels, and let us know if you need any assistance. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.